Hey, what's up guys? It is new day again, and today we are going to see how to convert video to MP3 format. First of all, you need to have the Format Factor program. This program allow you to convert any video to any format. So I have here my Format Factor. Then I start. Open your Format Factor. Then find your video which you want to input to audio. So go to my videos. Okay, choose any video, choose any video which you want, click and drag, then left it to your Format Factor. Then here, these all stuffs here are formats that you want formats which you want to which are used to convert video to other formats. So you can here convert your MP4 to AVI, you convert your MP4 to 3GP, to WMV, also you can convert it to MPG. So in my case, I want to convert it to audio, so I'm going to here, then here I click here all, click all to MP3. So if you choose this option, your all product will go to audio, so to MP3 audio. Yes, okay. It said this is our video. So if you click start here, it will start to convert your video to MP3 audio. So let us start here, wait until it finish. So okay, after finishing, it will gives you notification here that task complete. So you can click here, cut this, go here, then go here to output folder, click output folder to view your audio. So Andra, okay, Andra, this is, and okay, open. You see, from video to audio. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.